Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this tutorial series, we're going to create this Bookmark Manager application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So in this video, I'll just show you a demo of how it looks. So we have this web app called Shelf, and this is basically a Bookmark Manager application. So we can go ahead and save a link. So you can add the URL over here, and then the title, the tags, and any note if you want, and then click on Save Bookmark, and it will be displayed over here on the right side. So here we can see I have added these two links over here. So this is Dribble homepage, and then this is the YouTube channel of Live Blogger, and we also have these tags over here for each of these bookmarks, and the tags are displayed over here as well. So if I click on, for example, tutorials, only the bookmarks of tutorials tag will be displayed over here. So if I clear the filter, we can see that all the other bookmarks are also displayed. So that's how it looks over here. And we also have the option of editing and also deleting these bookmarks. So if I click on delete, we can see that it is deleted. We can also undo it over here. And we also have the option of searching the bookmarks over here using titles, addresses, notes, or tags. So for example, if I just search for Live Blogger, we can see that over here. And if I search for tutorials, we can see this bookmark over here because we have this tag of tutorials over here. So we can search by all these different parameters. And then on the right side, we have these sorting. So we can sort by newest first or oldest first. So this is basically how this web app is going to look. And we also have a mobile version. So this is how the mobile version looks. So here we don't have the form displayed over here by default, but if we click on this new bookmark button, we have the form displayed over here as a drawer. So we can go ahead and add anything over here. So if I just type, for example, https behance.net, and let's add a title, Behance, and let's type UI design. Let's add one more tag, graphic design, and let's click on Save Bookmark. And we can see that the new bookmark is displayed over here. So that's basically how this app is gonna work. So in the next video, we will start the design by writing the HTML and CSS. And then in the coming videos, we will add the functionality using JavaScript. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.